Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Whirlpool Microwave Cooking Time Guide. This may be really helpful if you guys rent and the sticker's been pulled off, or you've purchased and the sticker's been pulled off, or I mean even if it's your home and it just faded away. So I think this is the model here. I will link it down below if it is really the model, but here's the cooking guide. Popcorn. It says 3 to 3.5 ounces, baked potato, 1 to 4 potatoes, and pizza reheat, 1 to 3 slices. And so that correlates right here with popcorn, potato, and pizza. So if you click on pizza, you can click 1, 2, or 3 slices. For example, let me close this. You hit start. Holy cow, that is a lot of time for 2 slices of pizza. Okay, anyways, besides that, I only heat my pizza for like maybe a minute. Maybe I'm the anomaly there, so just be careful. Cook. Frozen, number 1, frozen entree, bacon, canned food, fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, or rice. And of course, that correlates over here to cook. For reheat, we have a beverage. I don't know what beverages we're reheating. Maybe hot cocoa? I don't know. Casseroles, dinner plates. Ooh, I'm curious to see how much they do for 1 dinner plate. Soups and sauces and baked good. So that's reheat. Let's see, dinner plate is 3. So let's close that. Why didn't I see dinner plate? Oh, it's reheat, duh. 3, and start. 5 minutes. All right, these are really interesting times because when I basically reheat anything, I put it in there for like 2 minutes. If you also do, leave me a comment down below. Soften and melt. Okay, this would be helpful because I usually put it in way too long and it just melts. Well, I'm talking about for my butter or margarine. So you can see half a stick, 1 stick, 1.5, 2.0 sticks, ice cream, cream cheese, frozen juice. And then on the melt side, it is 5 butter or margarine, I guess if we're melting it instead of softening it, chocolate, cheese, and marshmallows. That sounds like it could be messy. And then defrost. This is the other thing I always have trouble with. Defrosting it in there, how long to put it in there for. So I guess defrost meat, poultry, or fish, and then you put in the pounds and then hit start. So that's what it correlates to up here on the side, if you guys were wondering. All right, guys, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you don't have that little chart, have a great day. Bye.